Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a playlist on Spotify. So first thing is you open the Spotify application on your Android device, tap open Spotify, and then get logged into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged into the account, what you need to do over here is tap on your library option from the menu. You tap on your library. Now once you're at the Your Library section, you will have the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. You tap that and there you will have the option to create either playlist or blend. You tap on playlist. The first process, you need to provide a playlist name. So I'm just going to type in a random name over here. Then tap on create. And with that you have created yourself a playlist in Spotify. Now all you have to do is add music to this playlist. Here you can just tap on add to this playlist, and from this song all you can do is select or click on that plus icon in the music, and that will be added to the playlist that you have just created. You can also search for the song that you want to add it. You can particularly search for the song that you want to add in this playlist that you have just created. You can see the song has been added over here. So this is how you can create a playlist in Spotify. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.